Hey everybody, I'm Sarah from AWE, and today we're going to be installing, with the help of my girls here from the all-girls Bronco Build, the BashGuard on the Bronco from AWE. Now that we have our factory off, we can get the AWE installed. We're going to start with the resonated section and work all of our way back. All day today was hands in, what can I help with? You know, how can I do this? What tools do you need? So I think it's important that we're involved in this build to really show any female that wants to get into automotive that they can do whatever they said they wanted to. So that is why I wanted to be involved, and I'm so stoked to be here today.